Ready to permanently vanish from Google's digital landscape? Before we dive in, understand this is a one-way trip. Deleting your Google account means kissing goodbye to the mail, YouTube, Google Drive, and everything else tied to it. So make sure you have a backup first. Head to your Google account page. You can find it by searching Google account or clicking on your profile picture in any Google service and selecting Manage your Google account. On the left-hand menu, click Data and Privacy. This is where you'll find the control panel for managing your information. Scroll down, and I mean all the way down, to the very bottom of the page, where you will find the More Options section. See the Delete your Google account option. Click on that. This is the point of no return, folks. Google will ask you to verify it's really you by entering your password. Type it in and hit Next. Now, for the serious part, Google wants to make absolutely sure you understand the consequences. Carefully read through the information on this page. You will need to acknowledge that you're aware you'll lose access to all your content and services. There will be two checkboxes. Tick them both. Finally, and only if you are completely sure, click the big blue Delete Account button, and that's it. Your Google account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. Congratulations, you've successfully removed your Google account.